Don't have any shoes like this. What size? Size 5, what color? Black. I'm sorry, we don't have any, but my sister bought this pair last month. Did she buy them here? No, she bought them in the US. We had some shoes like this a month ago, but we don't have any now. Can you get a pair for me, please? I'm afraid that I can't. They were in fashion last year and the year before last, but they are not in fashion this year. These shoes are in fashion now. They look very uncomfortable. They are very uncomfortable, but women always wear uncomfortable shoes.